I can see more clearly now. What would you do if I dropped it and fell all the way down there? Challenge please. Day 1. Day 2. Day 3. Day 4. Oh, nobody there. Nobody there. Nobody there. Fair you, Lamar, you're such a liar. Lamar, you're such a. She's supposed to be. I just told her to come. What? Not even there. Holy shit! Yo, stand up! Yeah, she went in because you didn't stand up. Well, what you said to hide? No, because you see Fair and then she waved and then after and then I said stand up there. Holy shit. She's right there. Oh shit. She just went back in. Look at the whole face. He's right there. Shaylin, come outside. Come outside. You answered him. Wow. So amazing. I was talking to her on Facebook, that's why. That's why I was taking so long. What? Is she picking up? Jordan, you're such a dumbass. Well, I'm looking on the camera. What do you expect? Dude. Where did you get this? Huh? Where did you get this? I think you got it from some cars. Okay, I'm gonna go into the view now. Oh. As soon as you said oh shit, I was like, oh shit. What if I keep it here for days and days and days? Peace out. Peace. Wait. No, be like that then. Where, but come on. Be like that. Oh shit. Are these real? Yeah. They don't look real. They're real. I'm liars. I swear. Cause why would I be like this? Like that. And see, it's fake. Fake, these don't do that. Ooh. You just hurt the world. You did. Oh, you killed it. She's wearing purple today. Ooh. I know she's wearing purple, but she won't come out. I know, I caught her 2 times on video. Whatever, be like that, boy. Oh, I see her. Oh, wait. Let's go just knock on the door. Okay, let's go. She'll be like, no. Let's go. Okay. Hurry up, I'll go through the building with the seat. I don't want to look like I can't even see him. I can't wait to see this. See his face. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this, baby. Gotta jump right down there. Oh, she's right there. You know what they do in the elevator? Your mom? Mariah does? She does something like that. She turns off the light. Hey, I know. Hey, I'm video camming you, so you can't be video camming me. Shut up. Gaylord. Oh my god. It's this way. Oh wait. Oh, I just heard you screaming. Okay, do it already. Knock on the door. Knock on the door. Just because of that. Yeah. Yeah.
We can still hear you.
Ooh, what did I do? Oh, come on. Kiss? This is so weird. Are you allowed? I don't want to.
See? Farron, you are right.
That sucks.
What sucks?
Sucks. That she's leaving now. Not even a hug? Holy jeez. Jeez. Come on.
This is more property.
Is there even a hole there?
Nope.
He's on his feet begging for a hug. No, hold my feet now.
Do my hair look? Does my hair look weird?
Wait.
No, get out of here, please.
No. I'm just gonna take a video. I want to take a video of YouTube.